within the next 2 weeks, every adult in North Carolina will be able to get a COVID vaccine.
Yeah, we are making progress. The rest of Group 4 will be able to get shots next week, and vaccinations open up to Group 5 on April 7th. That expansion has us asking questions on when we could see more restrictions also being eased. Fox 46's Derek Dellinger spent part of the evening searching for answers to those questions. He's live in the newsroom with what he found out for us. Derek?
Well, the governor was pressed on this today, with everyone essentially being able to get the vaccine in the next couple of weeks. When will the mask mandate go away? When will everything be at 100% capacity? Well, he says there are discussions right now, but no concrete answer was given. And as we found out tonight, there are a number of reasons why. In the last several weeks, there has been more and more good news on the fight against COVID-19. But as things get closer to the end, there are still questions on when it will end.
We're not there yet.
North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper was asked this in various ways during a media briefing.
We can have significantly fewer restrictions and return to normalcy. We want to work with the CDC and see what they say about it.
There are not a lot of specifics right now, and even for those who crunch those numbers, they even don't know.
We never had a COVID-19 vaccine before. We've never had COVID-19 before.
Chris Marsicano is a professor at Davidson College and has been following the stats as they've come out as part of the College Crisis Initiative. He says North Carolina's vaccinations have been looking great, among the best in the country. But he says three big factors are holding the state back: vaccine hesitancy, not knowing if the vaccine prevents the spread of COVID to those who are unvaccinated, and the vaccination rates in neighboring states, which are not doing as well as North Carolina.
Until vaccines are in every North Carolinian that is eligible to have a vaccine, we have to be more safe than sorry.
The governor can't address what's happening in other states, but says the state right now is trying to address hesitancy.
We're going to depend on doctors and ministers and family members and friends.
Fox 46 has spoken with Marsicano for months on this question, though. When will things return to normal? Back in December, he told us this.
It's going to be more likely into the early fall, if not late fall.
Now?
I expect to see that by the end of the summer, early fall, we'll be close to back to normal.
Marsicano says there's also likely another reason for not putting a concrete information like a date out there just yet. It really comes down to promises. If the state says things can happen on a certain date far off and things do by some odd chance get worse, that could be seen and could wind up being a broken promise. Lindsay?
Yeah, I know a lot of officials are trying to stay true to their word, and they're being very careful about this reopening. Derek, thanks.